Sasisian pat parlok ni pidang sumpai pi baro syakanika channel kejungi bat ni kerman ba baro pi syait pi klanlut. Hakani ka video ka bamtas ngi ngin pe yakini ki post ki barang shalai tamai po Shillong Meghalaya. Yakini ki post lapalai daka Megha Automotive LLP. Kani ka dealership ka batmai jang ka Tata Motors ka ban semi hapo Meghalaya. Kajaka jang ka posting jang kini ki kam kandai hapo Mauyong Rim East Cashier Hills Shillong. Ki kerteng jang kini ki post kilong kumni. General Manager but Sales Head in Sales. Dealer Sales Manager DSM but Dealer Sales Executive DSE. Accounts Manager but Assistant Accounts Manager. Finance Coordinator CRM CRE. Telecallers but Receptionist. System Process IT Incharge. Cashier Billing Executive but Stockyard Incharge. General Manager Service. Works Manager but Assistant Works Manager. Service Advisor but Supervisor. Technician Helpers but Electrician. Parts Manager but Assistant Parts Manager. Parts Store Helpers. CRO. Service Marketing. Claim Manager but PDI. Washing Boys but Authorized Drivers. Yaki post General Manager but Sales Head in Sales. Ke Educational Qualification kalong kumni. Pelade ban pendap ya ke MBA dan ke post graduation haka no ka feed. Ken kam I preference gitu ki dan experience haka automobile industry. Yaki post Dealer Sales Manager DSM but ka Dealer Sales Executive DSE ke Educational Qualification kalong kumni. Pelade ban pendap ya ka graduation. Ken kam I preference gitu ki dan ya ke experience haka automobile industry. Yaki post Accounts Manager but Assistant Accounts Manager ke Educational Qualification kalong kumni. Pelade ban pendap ya ke graduation haka finance. Pidan kamru ya ke work experience ka bayahab. Yaka post Finance Coordinator ke Educational Qualification kalong kumni. Pelade ban pendap ya ke graduation haka finance. Pidan kamru ya ke work experience ka bayahab. Yaki post CRM, CRE, Telecallers but Receptionist ke Educational Qualification kalong kumni. Pelade ban pendap ya ka graduation. Kin kam I preference gitu ki dan ya ka experience haka Dealer Management System DMS lani haka Systems, Applications and Products SAP. Yaki post System, Process, IT Incharge, Cashier, Billing Executive but ka Stockyard Incharge ke Educational Qualification kalong kumni. Pelade ban pendap ya ka graduation. Pidan kamru ya ka work experience ka bayahab. Ya ka post General Manager Service ke Educational Qualification kalong kumni. Pelade ban pendap ya ka degree haka mechanical lani automobiles. Pidan kamru shipos nam tam work experience ka bayahab ba pide ru bandan ka jingnang ba ka jing sutu haka computer. Yaki post Works Manager but Assistant Works Manager ke Educational Qualification kalong kumni. Pelade ban pendap ya ka degree lani ka diploma haka mechanical lani automobile. Pidan kamru sansnam tam work experience ka bayahab but pide ru bandan ka jingnang ba ka jing sutu haka computer. Yaki post Service Advisor but Supervisor ke Educational Qualification kalong kumni. Pelade ban pendap ya ka degree lani diploma haka mechanical lani automobiles. Pidan kamru lais nam tam experience ka bayahab padru pide bandan ka jingnang ba jing sutu haka computer. Yaki post Technician, Helpers but Electrician ke Educational Qualification kalong kumni. Pelade ban pendap ya ka kelas 10 lani ITI. Pidan kamru ya ka work experience ka bayahab. Yaki post Parts Manager but Assistant Parts Manager ke Educational Qualification kalong kumni. Pelade ban pendap ya ka graduation. Pidan kamru ya ka work experience ka bayahab. Ya ka post Parts Store Helpers ke Educational Qualification kalong kumni. Pelade ban pendap ya ka kelas 10 lani ka kelas 12. Yaki post CRO Service Marketing Claim Manager but PDI ke Educational Qualification kalong kumni. Pelade ban pendap ya ka graduation. Pidan kamru ya ka experience ka bayahab. Yaki post Washing Boys but Authorized Drivers ke Educational Qualification kalong kumni. Pelade ban pendap ya ka kelas 10. Bat pidan kamru ya ka experience ka bayahab. Ka last date lani ka tarik ba khado ba philak ban submit ki applications kari haus santarik banai August arajar apuar. Ki candidates ki belong eligible bagi ba kwak ban apply ki ni ki post pihak ban pha ki resume lani ki CV ki jongpi lingba ka email how new email ID hr@meghaautomotive.com lani philak ban pha lingba ka WhatsApp show new number hinyo not khandai not r100 r khandai hinyo yaki candidates ki ba syajet kin sa syakot syaka interview kin kam I preference yaki tu ki badan yaka work experience ka bayaha haka automobile industry ka official advertisement ka balapalai hi da kani ka Megha Automotive LLP ngal ai po description jangan ka video kadang ba philak ban download ba philak ban pule bat ban pay hi yaka